Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to MatFit Junkie. So I'm here with Megha. Megha has been teaching yoga for last 3-4 years, and she's been heavily involved with yoga for over 10 years now. And the reason why I wanted to cover this story was that she was in corporate. She left, as like all we are doing these days. A lot of people are coming from corporate to fitness. She decided to go ahead with yoga, not with the traditional gymming and weightlifting kind of a thing, but with the yoga, and she has done amazing. I've seen her before and after pics. Here you can see them also. So मैम, ये जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था, ये 10 साल पहले आपको ये मोटिवेशन क्यों आया कि आपको फिटनेस में जाना चाहिए या योगा स्टार्ट करना चाहिए?
I was not even aware of even the F for fitness.
Okay.
But of course I was really aware of the F of being fed up with fat. I would say.
Okay.
Because of my son, who is now 13. When he was born, I had, of course, like any other woman, I had gained a lot of I had gained a lot of weight, and of course, with weight, there were so much issues like health issues like back pain and bloating and everything and whatnot. So, of course, with that guilt, with that embarrassment, I was thinking now what to start off with, but I just got to get into a yoga class in just one of the parks in front of my place through a friend. And there I got introduced to yoga, and just from there it all started.
And it's been there since over 10 years.
Exactly. I was practicing regularly as a religion for about 10 years.
Cool.
And
you have not missed the classes and stuff.
Religiously, very religiously. That is one point I would say to anyone, any fitness lover, that you have to be really religious follower of whatever discipline you are into.
Nice. Otherwise the discipline will break.
Yeah.
And
even if you would believe, I have practiced in a washroom, I have practiced at the airport.
Okay.
So I have
missed it. Yeah.
I have not missed it. That was a daily thing, which even few minutes was something which was just enlightening me up and charging me up with full of energy. So that was something I just could not take my hands off. So just because of that, I thought that no, now not looking back at my corporate, because that would mean I would not get time for my fitness and for my yoga, which gives me so much of inner strength, and of course so much of inner and outer strength both.
So guys, मैंने मैम से अभी बात कर रहा था, तो I found out that she has been practicing yoga for a very long time, and during the pregnancies it has helped a lot. So this was one point which I really want to cover. Ma'am, how did yoga help you from your first pregnancy to the second one?
Yeah, I mean, thank you so much, Himanshu, because I find this is a very good platform to bring this across to people. And generally what happens is that since I've got this opportunity through Himanshu, I would definitely love to share that usually what happens is only जब बोल दिया ना, डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया कर लेंगे, अब इतना पाउंड्स गेन हो गया तो कर लेंगे. So which is the wrong idea, I think. Fitness is a way of life, and you have to make it as important as oxygen. You are eating daily, you are drinking daily, so you have to give time to yourself as your me time, and you have to practice religiously.
Right.
And yoga is something which you could practice endlessly, even if you're 70s, 80s.
Yeah, exactly.
You can, as per your capabilities.
Exactly.
So of course it helped me a lot, because I was, after my son, there was a gap of about 5+ years when I had conceived my daughter. And I had shed weight, but I was very, very religious with my yoga ritual, and as a ritual I was following it. And then when I conceived my second child, the pregnancy was just kind of cakewalk for me.
Very smooth, and you were not very much troubled like the first time you were.
Absolutely not. Because what I've generally observed is that people, अच्छा अब इतने मोटे हो गए अब क्या करें? But please prepare a ground for yourself. I had prepared a ground for myself. I was planning a 5-year gap between my kids. I wanted to conceive my second child after my son was about 5 years. So I was prepared mentally that I had to shed so much of weight. I have to make myself, my reproductive organs so much strong that when the second child, when I'm fit enough to carry. And of course, that fitness is not only physical, but of course so much of mental, and that's only possible through yoga.
So,
mental agility, I would say.
right. So the girls, those who are looking into this, and soon you will be getting married, or some will be, going into the pregnancy. I think this is a very good advice, that if you build a platform, if you plan it like how you want to do it, it becomes very easy. And if you're not doing that, it becomes very difficult. Because मैम ने ये भी बताया है कि फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी के बाद she had back pains, she was not able to turn, very stiff, बॉडी बहुत स्टिफ हो चुकी थी. तो उन चीज़ों से दूर रहने के लिए और ऐसी चीज़ें आप ना फेस करें. So I think you should get into some kind of a physical activity. मैम ने योगा चूज़ किया, मेगा ने, आप कुछ भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं, रनिंग, वॉकिंग, जिम जा सकते हो. Zumba आजकल बहुत फेमस हो रहा है, so you can try Zumba also. So ma'am, this was your journey, this was your advice. But one more thing I want to know, like how did it affect you in your outer beauty, like in the way of your looks? Did it help you?
Immensely. I'm sure my pictures would
Yeah,
would tell that. See, of course, because yoga is an anti-aging tool.
Okay.
There are specific kriyas which even we could say which are called yogic facials, inversion techniques, which we might post sometime later, if and whatever. So they specifically create blood flow. They just the topsy-turvy postures and inverted techniques and all, which create a younger looking you.
Okay.
And of course, one thing is very important, which I would like to mention here, that you are as young as you are as your spine.
Exactly.
Spine flexibility is very important. There are people who come to the studio who are in their early 20s and they walk as if they are in their late 50s because of their spine. They have so much of stiffness in their spine and so much problem there. And of course, I would definitely mention here that I feel fitter at 38. I'll be 39 now. So I mean, we feel much fitter at this age than I was at 25 before I started off with you.
Exactly. So yoga has made her younger.
And of course, I'm never afraid to talk about my age.
Yeah, she's not afraid. She has told me twice. Usually girls don't talk about this, but she is comfortable talking about it. And the reason, the confidence she is getting out of yoga is what you can see. That is what has been reflected. She is okay to tell that she is 38, but she doesn't look 38. When I came
I'll be hitting 39 very soon.
So when I came, I was expecting somewhere around 28, 29, but then she told me that she has a kid of 12 years old. So I was like, okay, I'm wrong again. It's been happening along. I've been meeting a lot of people, those who are younger, because of fitness. So the point here to make is that any path you choose can help you look good, make you strong mentally, physically, but it's just that you have to choose that part and you have to follow it religiously. जैसे मैम ने बाथरूम में भी किया है, एयरपोर्ट्स पे भी किया है, बट किया है. दैट इज़ द पॉइंट. लाइक वो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट जो इनके हैं वो उन्होंने दिए ही हैं उस चीज़ को. That is what I want you to do, guys. Be mad, be fit, be chunky. We'll see you soon. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here. And to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.